Do you sometimes see small dots, threads, or cobweb like shapes floating in front of your eyes? These could be eye floaters, a very common eye condition. When people notice them for the first time, they often get worried. Let's understand three simple facts that everyone should know about eye floaters. Fact 1. Floaters are a natural part of the aging process. Inside our eyes, there is a clear gel-like substance called the vitreous humor, which helps maintain the eye's shape and provides cushioning. As we age, this gel slowly starts to become more liquid. When this happens, tiny collagen fibers or particles start floating inside the gel. These particles appear as small lines, spots, or cobwebs moving across your vision. When light enters the eye, these particles cast shadows on the retina, and that's what we see as floaters. This is completely normal, especially after the age of 40. However, people with high myopia, high eye power, may notice floaters earlier in life. Fact 2. Sometimes, floaters can be a warning sign. The vitreous gel is attached to the retina, the thin layer at the back of the eye. Occasionally, when the gel moves or shrinks, it can pull on the retina. This pulling may cause a retinal tear or detachment, which is an emergency condition. If you suddenly notice new floaters, flashes of light like lightning, or a dark shadow in your vision, you should visit an eye specialist immediately. These could be signs of a retinal problem. If detected early, treatment is easier and more effective. Fact 3. Treatments for floaters are available, but not always necessary. For most people, floaters are harmless, and with time, the brain learns to ignore them. However, if floaters are large, disturb your vision, or affect your daily life, some medical treatments can help. The first option is vitrectomy, a surgical procedure where the vitreous gel is removed and replaced with a clear solution. This can completely remove floaters but carries some risks, so it's recommended only for serious cases. The second option is laser treatment, YAG vitreolysis, where a special laser is used to break up the floaters. It's non-surgical and relatively safe, but not suitable for everyone. If you notice new floaters, flashes of light, or any sudden change in your vision, don't ignore them. Call our helpline today to book a free eye checkup or leave a comment to know more.